Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. Today's video I'm going to show you how to do a Blingy Llama. I'll be using Cosmic from the Urban Graffiti Glitter Collection. Whee! And pop that on the little finger. So I'll push up towards the cuticle, down the nail, and get those side walls. Cap in the free edge. And then ring finger's going to be a warm fire. Middle finger's going to be Laggon Falls. Same technique. Push up towards the cuticle, down the side walls. Trying not to get it on her skin, even though I do pretty much every time. And then pointing finger is going to be pink. Jazzberry. Oh my gosh, look at that. So if you were doing this on natural nails, you would need to prep, dehydrate the nails and put a base coat. But these are already on acrylics, so you don't need a base coat. And then pop them under lamp for 30 seconds, please. Right, so I'm gonna go in with my second coat. So just repeating, starting from the little finger. Yep, pop them onto the lamp, please. So I'm going to pop some Snow White onto my palette, some Serious Black, and some Matcha. I'm going to take off the sticky layer before I start putting on top of. So using the Neo Nails 0.1 brush, I'm going to load brush up to draw my llama. Llama. So I'm going to start with his head. I'm leaving quite a bit of space up here because I'm going to attach loads of gems and things to his head. Pop them under the lamp, please. 30 seconds. Pop a little bit of Morrocan Tan. Oh yeah, I can already see where he's looking like. Just 10 seconds, flash through it. Adding a little bit of detail. Oh, so cute. Nose. Try and do a lamp. Under the lamp for 30 seconds. So I'm going to go in with Matcha. Gonna put some leaves behind his head. Back under the lamp, 30 seconds please. So I'm gonna top coat these now, the Urban Graffiti top coat. Pop them under the lamp, 60 seconds please. So using the Nail Nails Gel Residue Wipe Off Solution, just go over them. They're non-sticky, but I've gone over them just because I want to. And then what I'm gonna do is get a buffing block and just lightly go over, just using the corner of where I'm going to stick the gems and stuff too. And then this one I'm going to go over by the cuticle area because I'm going to bling this one as well. Right back over. So I'm using the Nail Nails number 4 3D brush. I've just picked up a bit of Pink Flamingo, drained off the excess, pop it on a head, cleaned my brush off, just let it set a little bit so then you can move it around a bit easier. And then you're just using the tip of the brush. Now I'm going to pop some bling. I'm going to pop a little tiny bit Clear Acrylic, just there. And then I want one of those small diamonds. So I've not placed them flat, I've kind of stood them up a little bit to give them a more 3D effect. I'm going to do it the same on the other side. Tiny bit of acrylic. And then I'm going to pick up the small crystals because they're even smaller than the other ones and just push them into the acrylic. what I do is, instead of filling with a top coat, I use brush on glue for my flowers and just dab it on over my 3D flower. If you use gel and coat it, it becomes flat. It's not really 3D then. This one, I'm gonna bling it. I'm gonna pop a larger lump of acrylic powder. Pop it onto the side. You can use tweezers or pick a rubber, wax stick, whatever you want to use. I'm just building up round the back of that nail. Here we go. It's not going to go anywhere because it's pushed right in there. And then I'm going to build up this side with some more bling. Can't go wrong with a bit of bling. Bling, 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 bling. Oh. Bling it just a little bit. Oh, look at that! So much bling. I feel like I need to pop something in that hole. Love, love, love them. Needs to do your thumb now. So I'm going to do your thumb with Cosmic from the Glitter collection. Second coat, please. Pop it back in, 30 seconds. I'm going to top coat, seal that design in. 1 minute please, in the lamp. Right, buffing block. I'm not going to do as much bling on this one. Wipe off solution, get rid of the dust, and Using the 3D brush again. I don't want a massive amount of acrylic. Pop it by the cuticle area. Using my big rubber. And I'm basically just filling any little gaps that I can see. Bling bling. And again, I'm going to go in with the brush on glue and just touch around the edges. I don't want to get it on the gems because it might take the shine away. There we go. If you really wanted to secure them in, use some builder gel or some like mega gloss or something around the edges. Use some cuticle oil. Rehydrate. Oh no! She's happy. A happy llama. So I hope you enjoyed this video and give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. All the products are listed below and I'll see you next time. Bye!